We are extremely happy and fortunate to have Hazrat Maulana Sayyid Bilal Hassani Sahab, Honorable Rector of Nadwatul Ulama among us, and I would like to request Maulana Zubair Sahab to present a bouquet of flowers to chief guest as a symbol of respect and gratitude. I will call the winners one by one. Yusuf Hassan, please come to the stage. He secured first position in Dars Quran, second position from Group G in speech, and first position in conversation. I would request the Honorable Rector, please confer the certificate and medals. After that, Abdullah Mujahid for conversation. Abdullah Mujahid for conversation. Muhammad Hassan, he secured first position in speech from Group A, best speaker for the debate, and second position in Dars Quran. Abdul Rahman Muslim, first position in conversation and first position in speech from Group G. Abdullah, first position in speech from Group C and first position in Islamic presentation. Abdullah. In his absence, I would like to call Muawiyah Shaikh. Second position in speech from Group A. Faiz Ansari, third position in speech from Group A. It is brought to your kindly information that Nadwa English Speaking Center organized a wonderful group discussion for all Nadwa, and Muhyiddin Abu Tahir unanimously he was selected the best speaker of group discussion. Group discussion. फिर से बोल दीजिए, अब्दुल्ला का बोल दीजिए। हाँ, ये अब्दुल्ला बाद लास्ट में। साकिब आजम, थर्ड पोजीशन इन दर्स कुरान। Mudassir Hussain, third position in speech from Group G. And I would like to request Dr. Ihtisham Sahab, please confer the medal and certificate as well. Tawfiq, second position in speech. And I would like to request Dr. Asad Saab, please confer the medal and the certificate. Muhammad Arsalan, third position in speech from Group C. I would like to request Engineer Mohammad Faisal Saab, please confer the certificate and the medal. Muhammad Arsalan.
Assalam.
Sabur Mirza, second position in Islamic presentation. I would like to request Maulana Istifawar Hasan Sahab. Now I'm going to call the winners of debate. Abdul Rahman Muslim, please come with your team. Abdul Rahman Muslim, the winners of debate, which was held in Nadwa English Speaking Center on the topic of is social media ban or boon? Now I'm calling the runner-up team of debate, Mudassir Hussain. Please come with your team. Now I'm calling team of Islamic play. Muawiyah Sheikh, please come with your team. Islamic play. The present moment calls for the recognition of our esteemed educators who have demonstrated remarkable commitment and contribution to their profession. First of all, I would like to request Maulana Zubair Sahab and our academic director, Honorable Athar Sir, has given some title for each and every faculty member. So, Maulana Zubair Sahab is entitled with a man with ambition and vision. Maulana Shakir Sahab, a teacher with impeccable style. Maulana Yusuf Sahab, a symbol of knowledge.
for star quality education, Karim Khan Sahab, please receive trophy by the hand of the rector. Sir. Yes. Yoman Akhtar Nadwi Sahab, icon of success and knowledge, please receive trophy by the hand of the rector, sir. Tawqir sir, an embodiment of authentic knowledge, please receive your trophy by the hand of rector, sir. Zuhair sir, a symbol of dedication and knowledge, please receive your trophy by the hand of rector, sir. Office Assistant Mohammed Rehan, please receive your trophy by the hand of rector, sir.
Dear audience,